Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you are watching from. It's your girl here. Why not Betty? The sun is out, as you can see, guys. It's early in the morning. It rained yesterday very heavily. So, guys, I have got a homa here. Anyway, so guys, I thank God for this beautiful day that He has granted me, that He has shown me. Guys, I'm going to the farm. Today I'm going to take you to pick tea. You see what I'm holding? I am having this one. I'm going to pick tea, guys. I know you are going to enjoy with me. You know you are going to come along with me. So guys, this is a beautiful day that God has granted me. I thank Him for it. I'm with this place, guys, where we are having macadamias over here. Those ones. We have macadamias in this place. A lot of trees here. Today, guys, it's a very busy day and a beautiful day whereby you can see it rained every last night, and we thank God for the rain. We also thank Him for the gift of life that He has given unto us, where we should always thank God. Yeah, guys, one thing that I'm happy with is because it rained, the coffee have flowered. You see, it is picking coffee time, but it is flowering. The trees have flowered because it rained. It rained heavily last night. The roads, it is very dew. There are a lot of dews in the morning. So guys, move with me. As I show you what is happening unto this place. Yeah, you see, there are a lot of dews. So guys, watch my video as I show you where we normally pick tea. Go and pick tea. I'm in Miss Plantation over here. Oh my God, that's too far. Now, guys, this is how we pick tea. We normally do it like that. This way. So guys, that's how we normally do the picking of tea here in Kenya, Africa. So guys, enjoy my video as we do the picking of tea. Guys, after finishing the work of picking the coffee that I had shown you earlier before, it's now time to go and carry grass, napier grass, so that you can feed our cows. Yeah, here our cows, and they are very hungry. Even though they are sleeping, it's now time to go and carry napier grass so that we can feed them late in the evening. And here I have my son. Robin, say hi to my people. Hi. Say hi to my people, Robin. Hi. Here is my son. He is called Robin. And you look to the camera. This is my child. He's called Robin. He's my son. My only son, and I love him so much. So guys, let's go and carry napier grass. so that you can feed the cow after the work of today. So guys, let's work together. Guys, as I told you there earlier before, here to our farm, people are farmers. Here my parents are farmers, you see. We have some cabbages. Those are the cabbages. Those ones. And in this place, some have been removed. They have been sold. We have a lot of veggies. We have those ones, amaranthus. These ones, the amaranthus. We call them terere at our local language. We have black nightshade. And it has some flowers, the fruits. These ones, the black ones. The black nightshade. Here we have got also arrowroots. Arrowroots. See? We have a lot of amaranthus, guys. And guess what, guys? Here we also have a cassava. Cassava, that one is a cassava. That's how our cassava look like. The amaranthus are also here. A lot of them. A lot. We have a lot. Also we have here, guys, this is aloe vera. In every home you can't miss aloe vera. Aloe veras are all over. Aloe veras, they help to treat chicken. You can also take them as a medicine. And we thank God because they treat some medicine. Yeah, it's a medicine, kind of a medicine. You see the cabbages? These are the ones that remained after selling the others. We haven't got maize. These are the maize. They are not ready. We have a lot. In Kenya, Africa, it's not like in town. We have a lot. So here we are going to carry the Nepian grass so that you can feed the cow because it's late in the evening and we have to do work. And because we have already eaten, even the cow must, they have to eat. So guys, keep tuned, keep watching. Remember to subscribe. Turn that notification bell so that you can see when I post a new video. So guys, let's feed the cow. Guys, we have finished doing our evening work. That is feeding the cow. So guys, that is now enough for today. Bye bye. For those who have not subscribed, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Comment, like, and share. It's your girl here, Why Not Betty. So guys, see you to my next video. Bye bye. I love you all.